Have you ever tried making the most crunchy chicken popcorn? Sit back, let me show you how to make this. So we'll start by adding in 1 tablespoon of vinegar into some milk just to make our buttermilk. Give this a nice stir and set it aside for about 3 to 5 minutes so you can have your buttermilk. At this point, go in with your chicken breast. I will go ahead and slice the chicken breast into some tiny little strips. All the list of ingredients used for this recipe is going to be on the comment section and also on the description box to check them out. So after slicing the chicken, I'll transfer this into a bowl. I'll add in a pinch of salt and I'll go in and add in all my seasoning, which I'm using some paprika powder, some thyme, garlic, rosemary, some chicken flavor powder, and I'll give this all a mix together. Now I'll go in and crack in 1 egg into the chicken and I'll mix this all up together. After giving the chicken a good mix with the spices, I'll add in a little bit of my buttermilk and give this a nice stir. You don't want to add too much buttermilk into the chicken. Now I'll cover it up and put this into my freezer so it will marinate quickly. So now I'll get the chicken out from the freezer and I will transfer them into the flour mix. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you sit back and enjoy this recipe. If you've not liked this video at this point, please do go ahead and give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel if you've not yet done so, and share this video so it will get to reach other people. If you do have any question, please do go ahead and drop them on the comment section, as I will be there to reply to your comment regarding this recipe. At this point, I will mix the chicken with the flour and go ahead and put in my pot into the fire. I'll add in some oil that I'm going to use to deep fry this chicken popcorn. Right now, I'll get my gloves and use my hands to properly mix this chicken. I want the chicken to get in all the flour and the cornstarch base so it will come out really crunchy. If you want your chicken popcorn to come out really crunchy, you want to make sure you follow this step. So at this point, I'll add in just a little bit of onion into my frying oil to give it a nice flavor, and I will go in now and start picking in the chicken into the hot oil so it will fry and come out really crunchy. While the chicken is frying, I will line in some kitchen towel paper into a flat plate where I'm going to be transferring the chicken. And at this point, our chicken is well fried. I'm just going to give it a stir and take it off the hot oil and allow it to cool down a bit. So guys, have you ever tried chicken popcorn recipe before? Do let me know on the comment section if your method of of making yours is different from this. And if you've not tried this method before, I'll urge you to give it a try and let me know on the comment section how it came out. Yes, so I've gone ahead and fried the other batch of the chicken, and you can see how this looks so gorgeous. So I'm just going to serve this with some nice peri peri sauce. You can see how delicious and gorgeous. I'm going to leave you so you can see the crunchiness of this delicious chicken popcorn.